Welcome to the official video overview for the initial public offer of Laxmi India Finance Limited. We are a non-deposit taking non-banking financial company categorized as a NBFC middle layer, primarily operating in micro, small and medium enterprises, financing vertical and vehicle financing vertical, with used vehicle financing constituting approximately 92% of AUM of vehicle loans for fiscal 2025. This video is not for distribution outside India and is directed at and is intended for distribution to and use by residents of India only. The information in this video is not for publication or distribution, directly or indirectly, in or into the United States. No part of the contents of this video shall be copied or duplicated in any form by any means or redistributed. You are viewing this video on the basis that you have confirmed your representation, agreement and acknowledgement to the book running lead manager and Laxmi India Finance Limited that you are the intended recipient of this video and you are located in India. If you are not permitted to view this video or are in any doubt as to whether you are permitted to view this video, please exit this video. Caution: this video is directed at and is intended for distribution to and use by residents of India only. This video is not intended for and may not be accessed in or by or distributed or transmitted in, into or to, directly or indirectly, the United States of America, including its territories and possessions, any state of the United States and the District of Columbia, the United States, or any other jurisdiction where it is unlawful to do so. All persons residing outside of the United States who wish to access this video should first ensure that they are not subject to local laws or regulations that prohibit or restrict their right to access this video or require registration or approval for any acquisition of securities by them. No part of the contents of this video shall be copied or duplicated in any form by any means or redistributed. This video provides only the salient features of the offer, and accordingly, potential investors are advised not to rely on this video alone to make their investment decisions. Any decision on whether to invest in the equity shares must be made solely basis the red herring prospectus to be filed in relation to the offer when available. Any potential investor should note that investment in equity shares involves a high degree of risk, and for details relating to such risks, see the section titled Risk Factors of the Red Herring Prospectus. The company, promoters and BRLM and their respective affiliates, directors, officers, agents, representatives, advisors and employees do not accept any liability whatsoever, direct or indirect, that may arise from the use of information contained in this video. Investors are advised not to rely on any other document, content or information provided in respect to the public issue on the internet, online websites, social media platforms, microblogging platforms by influencers. Any such posts, including on social media platforms, do not constitute an offer or solicitation of an offer or any advice or recommendation to purchase, sell or transact in any of the company's securities. Investors are advised to wait for the red herring prospectus to be filed in relation to the offer for making any investment decision. This video is posted solely to comply with Indian legal and regulatory requirements. Making the information contained herein available in electronic form does not constitute an offer to sell, solicitation of, an offer to buy or a recommendation to buy or sell securities of the company in the United States or in any other jurisdictions, including without limitation, India. Any other information contained in or that can be accessed via the websites does not constitute a part of this video. Investors are advised to read the red herring prospectus dated July 21, 2025 and the pre-issue and price band advertisement dated July 22, 2025 carefully before taking any investment decision in relation to the offer. Laxmi India Finance Limited IPO consists of a fresh issue of up to 10,453,575 equity shares of face value of 5 rupees each and an offer for sale of up to 5,638,620 equity shares of face value of 5 rupees each. The offer includes an employee reservation of up to 160,928 equity shares of face value of 5 rupees each. The anchor investor bidding period will open and close on Monday, July 28, 2025. The offer will open on Tuesday, July 29, 2025 and close on Thursday, July 31, 2025. Our company was incorporated on May 10, 1996, having its registered and corporate office in Jaipur, Rajasthan, India. We offer a diversified range of lending products to meet the distinct needs of our customers. Our business verticals comprise MSME finance, vehicle finance, construction loans, and other lending products. Our MSME lending fuels economic growth and promotes financial inclusion by supporting small businesses and entrepreneurs, with over 80% of our MSME loans qualifying as priority sector lending under RBI guidelines. Our MSME AUM grew at a CAGR of 36.52% between March 31, 2023 and March 31, 2025. We have been systematically expanding our branch network over the years by focusing on deepening our reach in the existing markets, entering new geographies, and increasing penetration in potential regions. For the period ending March 31, 2025, we have the widest reach in Rajasthan in terms of being the company with highest number of branches amongst its peers. Source: Care Report. Laxmi Finance has recorded second highest return on net worth in FY25 among the peers compared. Source: Care Report. According to the Care Report, which has been exclusively commissioned and paid for by our company for the purpose of this offer, we have diversified sources of funding and have access to funds from various lenders. Our customer base has substantially increased. We have a growing sales network that caters to customers primarily in the rural and semi-urban areas of India. For further information, see our business beginning on page 183 of the RHP. Investors should note the following important risks. We require substantial capital for our business, and any disruption in our sources of funding or our inability to secure funding on favorable terms could adversely affect our liquidity, business, cash flows, results of operations, and financial condition. Our business is primarily focused on micro, small, and medium enterprises, MSMEs, and any adverse development in this sector or in government policies affecting this sector could affect our business, cash flows, and results of operations. We are subject to certain conditions under our debt financing arrangements. Any failure to meet such conditions and restrictions could result in the termination of our credit facilities or acceleration of our debt payment obligations. As the NCDs of our company are listed on BSE, we are subject to certain obligations and reporting requirements under SEBI listing regulations. Any non-compliances, delay in complying with such obligations and reporting requirements may render us liable to prosecution and/or penalties. We are subject to periodic inspection by the Reserve Bank of India. Non-compliance with the observations of the Reserve Bank of India could adversely affect our business, financial condition, results of operations, and cash flows. For further details, please read the risk factors beginning on page 33 of the RHP. The promoters of our company are Deepak Bed, Prem Devi Bed, Anisha Bed, Hirak Vinimay Private Limited, Deepak High-Tech Motors Private Limited, Prem Dealers Private Limited, and Vivan Bed Family Trust, who together hold 36,703,004 equity shares of face value 5 rupees each, representing 87.78% of the issued, subscribed, and paid up equity share capital of our company on a fully diluted basis. For further information, please see capital structure beginning on page 85 of the RHP. Our board comprises of 7 directors, comprising our managing director, 2 whole-time directors, and 4 non-executive independent directors. Our company's revenue from operations during fiscal 2025 was 2,457.13 million rupees, with an EBITDA margin of 66.07% in fiscal 2025. The company registered a PAT of 359.10 million rupees, reflecting a PAT margin of approximately 14.48% in fiscal 2025. Investors are advised to read the RHP, including section Basis of Offer Price, Key Performance Indicator, and Restated Financial Statements on page 115 and 288 respectively, for further information on financials and related information, and page 183 for further information on our business. There are outstanding legal proceedings involving the company and promoters. Any adverse outcome in such proceedings may affect our business, results of operations, and financial condition. For further details, see outstanding litigation and material developments on page 424 of the RHP. Our company proposes to utilize the net proceeds from the fresh issue towards augmenting our capital base to meet future business requirements of our company towards onward lending. The price band for the IPO is 150 rupees per equity share, floor price to 158 rupees per equity share, cap price. The minimum bid lot is 94 equity shares. Please read basis for offer price on page 113 of the RHP and the pre-issue and price band advertisement dated July 22, 2025 for further information. The equity shares will be listed on BSE Limited and the National Stock Exchange of India Limited. PL Capital Markets Private Limited is the book-running lead manager to the offer. Investments in equity and equity-related securities involve a degree of risk, and investors should not invest any funds in the offer unless they can afford to take the risk of losing their entire investment. Please read the red herring prospectus dated July 21, 2025, the pre-issue and price band advertisement dated July 22, 2025, and any corrigendum or addendums thereto before taking any investment decision in relation to the offer. Investors are advised not to rely on any other document or information. Disclaimer: neither the company nor the promoters are seeking any investment from you based on this video. This is a video for information purposes only and is not a promotional video and does not constitute an invitation or offer to acquire, purchase, or subscribe to the equity shares of the company. Potential investors should rely only on the disclosures made in the red herring prospectus dated July 21, 2025, any addenda and corrigenda thereto, and the pre-issue and price band advertisement dated July 22, 2025 for taking any investment decision in relation to the offer.